Here I am doing the hand filing for the bottom bracket on the very mini bicycle that I'm attempting to make. Just kind of a piece of art, nothing practical. Just getting some good practice in. Different ways of welding, brazing. Some of the joints here are actually already brass brazed. And that worked pretty well. On this one, I didn't have as much luck with the brazing, so I ended up switching about midway through and going with just regular old welding with some steel filler rod instead of brass. And actually, getting the bottom bracket to melt to the frame and fuse that way. Lots of flux. Here I am actually going at the welding. Apparently the sparks are a good signal that you are getting at least some penetration, so that was great. I think right here I don't think I got any footage of brass brazing. This is all just welding. I think I started the camera a little bit late, so I missed that. But here it is on the other side. That's pretty much it. Thanks for whoever's watching, and let me know if you have any tips or tricks for brazing, welding, anything to do with bike frames. Just want to say hi, hello, and goodbye.